Welcome once again to this lecture series in Chemical Reaction Engineering 2. We have studied gas liquid kinetics and we have seen different regimes right from the instantaneous reaction to intermediate reaction to slow reaction and very slow reaction. So we have seen total 8 categories of various reaction depending on their rates, and then we have seen different cases when the reaction takes place at gas liquid interface, reaction takes place within the liquid film, reaction takes place in the liquid film and partly in the bulk of liquid, and the reaction taking place completely in the bulk of the liquid. And we have seen the contributions of gas phase resistance, that is resistance offered by the gas film, resistance offered by the liquid film, and the resistance term because of the chemical reaction. And we have seen various rate expressions from these cases from A to H. Total 8 cases we have studied. Now here we will see this very important plot. On x-axis we have mH value, that is Hatta number, which is square root of diffusion coefficient into rate constant into concentration of the reactant B divided by KAL, liquid side mass transfer coefficient. So from the data you can calculate these values. Then on y axis we have the value of E, and this is on logarithmic scale. Now you can see here on this side, that means where the mH values are less than 1, no reaction in the liquid film, all the reaction occurs in the bulk of liquid. When mH value is greater than 1, all the reaction occurs in the film and no penetration into the bulk of the liquid. So here we have clear demarcation almost. Check the mH value. If it is less than 1, you can say that there will be no reaction in the film and all the reaction will occur in the bulk of the liquid or main body of the liquid. If mH value comes out to be greater than 1, then you can say that all the reactions occur in the liquid film and no reaction in the bulk of liquid. Now on this side there are again different cases, different regimes based on the values of EI, this enhancement factor, this term E subscript I, which is equal to 1 plus dB Cb into HA, Henry's law constant, and in the denominator B dA PAI. So this small b is the stoichiometric coefficient, dA diffusion coefficient of A, PAI interface concentration of A in the gas phase. So these values, these are plotted on this side of the y axis. Now what we have to do is, if mH is less than 1, then you are in this region. If mH is greater than 1, for this side we have to check for additional conditions. So what we can do is, you calculate EI value, mH value you have, and you check this condition. If EI is greater than 5 times mH, then you have pseudo first order reaction by the gas liquid interface. So you will have pseudo first order reaction by the gas liquid interface, and in that case you can take the value of E, that is enhancement factor, which is required for calculation of the resistance, to be approximately equal to mH if this condition is satisfied. That is, if EI is greater than 5 times mH, then you take E as MH. Okay. Otherwise, if not, then you check this condition. Take the value of MH by 5, MH you have calculated, divided by 5, and compare. If this EI is less than MH by 5 value, then you have instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film, and in that case you can take E is equal to EI. And if none of these is satisfied, then you can check this third possibility, and that is calculate 5 times EI, calculate EI by 5, and check that your MH value lie between these two extremes, that is 5 times EI is greater than MH, which is greater than EI by 5. So if this condition is met, then you have fast second order reaction in the liquid film. Now when MH is less than 1, then E value you can approximate as 1 plus MH square by 3. So when MH is less than 1, E is equal to 1 plus MH square by 3, and the reaction will be in the bulk of the liquid, no reaction in the film. If MH greater than 1, then all reaction will occur in the film, no penetration in the bulk. And here you have these three cases you have to check. First, check if EI is greater than 5 times MH, then you will have pseudo first order reaction by the gas liquid interface, and E is approximately equal to MH. If this condition is not satisfied, you check this condition, EI less than MH by 5. If this condition is satisfied, then you have the case of instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film, and in that case E is approximately equal to EI, which you calculate from this relationship. If both conditions are not satisfied, then you check for this third possibility, and if 5 times EI greater than MH is greater than EI by 5, if this condition is satisfied, then you can say that the reaction is fast second order reaction and it is taking place in the liquid film. So this plot is very important. You should know these conditions very clearly, and now we will see how to use this condition. So here I have rewritten this condition. We have to use in all the problems. There should not be any confusion when you use these conditions. So these condition 1, 2 and 3 I have mentioned here. So once again, the first condition, if MH is less than 1, then E is approximately equal to 1 plus MH square by 3. No reaction in the film, all reaction in the bulk of the liquid. If MH is greater than 1, then all the reaction in the liquid film, no penetration of in the bulk of the liquid. Then you check EI is less than MH by 5. If this condition is satisfied, then the instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film and E is approximated as EI. If if EI is greater than 5 times MH, then you have the pseudo first order reaction at gas liquid interface, and in this case E is approximately equal to MH. The reaction zone approaches the interface, and this condition 5 times EI greater than MH greater than EI by 5, then you will have the fast second order reaction in the liquid film. So these three condition 1, condition 2 and condition 3, you should be very clear about these conditions. So I have spent much time in explaining this again and again, and there should not be any confusion. You should be able to comfortably identify the reaction zone, or where exactly the reaction is taking place, whether the reaction is taking place in the liquid film or in the bulk of the liquid. In the liquid film, there is some reaction plane or reaction zone, or the reaction is at gas liquid interface. Now we will solve the problems from the exercise from the book by Octave Levenspiel, which we have uh, recommended as a textbook, and we are following this book for most of the topics in this subject. Before we proceed for problem solving in this chapter, I would like to suggest few things to the students. Before you watch this complete uh, video lecture on problem solving, please try to attempt the problems on your own. Try to understand the previous two video lectures on kinetics. Then go through the textbook page by page. Try to understand and digest the concepts of gas liquid reaction kinetics. Then attempt the problem on your own. If you have understood the things, you will be able to solve the problems, and once you solve the problem, then you can watch this video lecture and check your results whether you are doing correct or not, where you are making the mistake, where your logic is going wrong. So that will give you the better understanding and better practice of problem solving, and the confidence that you have understood the subject. If you just watch this video lecture, solutions of the problems, all solutions of the problems, and then try to remember it and reproduce, it's not easy. It's really difficult, and this is something, most of the topics in these subjects are not to be remembered and reproduced, but you have to understand it well, and once you understand the concepts, you will be confident in problem solving. So please keep this in mind, and now we'll proceed to problem solving. Now we'll solve the problems from the exercise of chapter number 23 from the book by Octave Levenspiel. So first problem 23.1. Here reactant A, which is in the gas phase, dissolves in the liquid, reacts with reactant B, which is in liquid, to give you the products, and products will be in the liquid phase. Rate law we are considering minus RA is equal to KCACB. So first order with respect to A, first order with respect to B in a pack column, where KAGA value is 0.01 moles per hour per meter cube of the reactor Pascal. This value FL, fraction of liquid, is 0.01 meter cube of liquid per meter cube of reactor. Means fraction is 0.01 only. In the book, the value given is 0.01 for these problems 23.1 to 23.6, and the same data we have to use for all the problems. So I am making a change here. I will not use this value 0.01 for all 6 problems, but I will use a value of 0.1, that is 10 times higher than this. 0.01 means 1% liquid in the reactor, and 0.1 means 10% liquid in the reactor. Why I am using this higher value? Because this value 0.01, just 1% in pack column, is not realistic value. So what are these realistic values and so on, that we will see when we will study next chapter. So in the beginning of the chapter we will discuss these things. For the time being, you keep in mind that we have not used this value which is given in the book, which is not a realistic value for pack column. So in pack column, from 8% to 10% FL is there. So that means FL value is 0.08 to 0.1 we have to use. So we are using these values, and these FL values, typical values suitable for different towers, spray towers, pack columns and so on, are given, and we'll be studying that in details in the beginning of the next chapter. So here you note one thing, that we are not using the value 0.01, but we will be using FL is equal to 0.1 in all the problems from 23.1 to 23.6, and this value of FL we need in the calculation of liquid film resistance, that is our third resistance, that you will see further. So our resistances R1, R2, R3. So in that, this FL term will appear in one of the resistances, and there it affects. So in all the problems, please note that we are not using the value given in book, which is 0.01, and again I am telling you it is not a realistic value. So we will use a realistic value of 0.1, so that our results and our analysis will also be realistic. KALA, this volumetric liquid side mass transfer coefficient, 100 meter cube of liquid per meter cube of reactor per hour. So units are just hour inverse. DAL is equal to DBL. So you will have the condition of KAL is equal to KBL also. So D is equal to this DAL or DBL we are considering as D, dropping these subscripts, 10 raised to minus 6 meter square per hour. Interfacial area per unit volume 100. At a point in the reactor where PA is equal to 100 pascals, CB is 100 mole per meter cube of liquid. So molar concentration is 100 mole per meter cube. So here, for this case and the given data, we have to calculate the rate of reaction in moles per hour per meter cube, location of the major resistance, whether gas film, liquid film or main body, and behavior in the liquid film, whether it is pseudo first order, instantaneous or second order reaction or physical transport. So this we will be able to distinguish with the conditions which we have considered just now, and with the same data we will be solving next problem number 23.1 to 23.6. All the data remains same except these two things. One is Henry's law constant will be different in different cases, and we will be changing K in all these cases for next 6 problems. That means Henry's law constant is varied, means you will check for the from the regions of slightly soluble to highly soluble by varying this K from very low value of K to very high value of K. Will be changing the rate of reaction or speed of the chemical reaction. So this case we have PA is equal to 100, HA is equal to 10 raised to 5. You can calculate CA as PA by HA value. Then MH is equal to square root of DKCB. Here we are not using DA because DA is equal to DB. So DKCB raised to half means square root of this divided by KAL. Calculate this value. E value, now here MH is less than 1, so we have the condition E is equal to 1 plus MH square by 3. So this is 1, okay, approximately 1. After decimal there will be a few numbers. So when this condition is satisfied, we have E to be equal to 1 plus MH square by 3 and this value. Now where we will use this E value? What you have to calculate? You have to calculate the gas film resistance, which will be given by 1 upon KAGA, liquid film resistance, which will be given by HA by KLA, this volumetric mass transfer coefficient, into E, and this is this E value which we will need in all cases. And chemical reaction in the main body or the bulk of the liquid, we have to calculate this resistance HA by K, that is rate constant, CB into FL, this is fraction of liquid. So in this column we have calculated values, this 1 upon KGA value, HA by KLA into E, this value, HA by K into CB into FL, this value we have calculated. Total resistance, say R1, R2, R3, we add together, so total resistance we get this numerical value, and here we will calculate the percentages so that we can get clear idea about which resistance is dominating. So here percentage resistance, this is 0.498, 49.743, 49.759. So mostly you can say these are the exact values, but it is 50%, 50% and almost 0% here. Okay. So equal resistance in the liquid film and in the main body of the liquid, and negligible gas phase resistance. So if you calculate the rate of reaction in moles per meter cube per hour, this is Pa divided by total resistance. So Pa value is 100 and that is not changing for all the cases, divided by the resistance value, this 2009 into 0.667, so roughly 2010. So if you divide 100 by that, you get this 0.05. so this is the rate of reaction which we have to calculate. So first question is answered. Then second question is state location of major resistance. So here MH is less than 1, so E is equal to approximately 1 plus mh square by 3, and in this case this is 1. The reaction occurs in the main body of the liquid and physical transport in the liquid film. So we have location of the major resistance, both liquid film is 50%, here is 50%. So you have two locations of the major resistances, almost no resistance offered by the gas film, and behavior in the liquid film. Third question that is also answered, this is physical transport in the liquid film. Next problem. So next 5 problems, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These problems are on the same data. What we are changing is this value is changing. Henry's law constant is changing and K value is varied. So here HA is 10 raised to 4. So Ca becomes 10 raised to minus 2. MH you calculate 10. EI 1 plus HACB by PAI. This value comes out to be 10,001. Now here you note MH is greater than 1. So we have shifted on the other side where we have to check 3 conditions. So calculate the resistances R1, R2, R3. We have calculated this value is 10, 10.01. This is 20.001. If we calculate the percentage values, this is almost 50%, 50%, and this is negligible. So here negligible resistance in the main body of the liquid and 50-50% equal resistance in the gas film and in the liquid film. If you calculate the rate of reaction, that is Pa is 100 divided by total resistance, this value 20, you get this as 5 moles per meter cube per hour. So both resistances are same. So physical transport in both the films. mH is greater than 1. Check EI is greater than 5 times mH, whether this condition is satisfied. So EI is 10,001 and 5 times mH here. mH is 10, 5 times mH is 50. So the condition is satisfied, and we can say that E is approximately equal to mH value, and mH value is 10. So you have to substitute this E is equal to mH, that is equal to 10, for calculating resistance in the liquid film. So this E will be decided by the conditions of mH value and EI value also. So you should have these calculated values ready with you. Then you check the condition whether mH is less than 1. If mH is less than 1, straightforward, E will be 1 plus mH square by 3. If it is greater than 1, then you have to check 3 different conditions. Now we will see this in the problems one by one. So this condition is satisfied, and that means when E is equal to mH, this condition is satisfied. We have pseudo first order reaction at the gas liquid interface. So reaction takes place at the gas liquid interface. So this liquid film resistance for B traveling towards gas liquid interface, and this gas film resistance equal almost 50%, that is resistance offered by the gas film for the change in concentration of A in gas phase from Pa to Pi. And as soon as they come into contact at the gas liquid interface, the reaction takes place or the reaction is over. So very fast or instantaneous reaction, you can say. Next problem 23.3 with new values of K and HA. So when we change the value of HA, your Ca value changes, and with the change in value of K, this mH value change, and depending on mH values, the conditions will vary, which will affect this value of E, which we substitute here. With change in K, these values of resistance in the main body of the liquid, that will change. So HA will affect both liquid film as well as chemical reaction. So there is major dependence of these resistances, particularly the resistance in the liquid film and the main body of the liquid, on values of rate constant and Henry's law constant. So here same method is followed. HA is equal to 1000. This value of Ca is 0.1. MH value you get 0.0316. Now this value is less than 1, and E will be equal to 1 plus mH square by 3, and this value comes out to be 1. So E will be equal to 1, that you substitute here. All the things are known here. So when you calculate these resistance values, this is 10, this is 9.997, almost 10, this is 10, and this is 29.997, means almost 30. So resistance is one third, one third, one third, equal resistance in all three steps, that is R1 resistance offered by the gas film, R2 resistance offered by the liquid film, and resistance term because of the chemical reaction in the bulk of the liquid. So this is one third, one third, one third. Rate Pa divided by this 30. So 100 by 30, 3.33 mole per meter cube per hour. Now what about the conditions? Here mH is less than 1, so E is equal to 1 plus mH square by 3, that comes out to be 1. So reactions occur in the main body of the liquid and physical transport in the liquid film. mH is less than 1. Then you have again new conditions K and HA. So here you can see HA very low value, just 1, and K is again very low, 10 raised to minus 4. So totally different condition, different regime you can say. So here with these values, Ca, HA value is 1, so it is 100, MH 0.0001 very low value, and this will be a low value, so E is equal to 1 simply. When you calculate these three resistances, first resistance in the gas film 10, resistance in the liquid film 0.01, resistance term in the main body of the liquid 1000. So this is almost negligible. This is also very less when you compare with 1000. So total is 1010, and if you calculate the percentage values, this is almost 99%, means you can consider almost 100%. 1% is 1%, and 1% you can say this resistance is also negligible. So all the resistance lie in the step resistance because of the chemical reaction term. Here the rate of reaction again Pa by 0.1. So rate is very low. So in this case again the condition of mH less than 1 is satisfied. E is equal to 1. Reaction occurs in the main body, physical transport in the liquid film. So chemical reaction in the main body of the liquid, there is physical transport in the liquid film and very low rate, just 0.1. We have seen the rates lower than this also. When we'll complete all these problems, similar cases, we'll see the comparative table also and study it in comparison. Next is 23.5. Here K is 10 raised to minus 2, means more than the earlier problem. H is maintained same, that is 1. So only K is changed, and even with change in K values only, same values of HA, these resistances will change, the values will change. Here you can see now this is 10, this is also 10, and this is 0.01, almost again negligible, and 10 and 10. So this is almost 50%, 50%. So same resistance in the gas film and in the main body of the liquid, and no resistance in the liquid film. There is some value, but we can say negligible resistance instead of no resistance. Calculate the rate Pa by total resistance. Pa is 100, 100 by 20, this rate is 5 moles per meter cube per hour. Conditions we have checked, mH is less than 1, so E is equal to 1 here, and reactions again occurring in the main body of the liquid, and there is physical transport in the liquid film. In problem number 23.6, here 10 raised to 8 plus 8. So we are taking very high value of rate constant and same value of HA, that is equal to 1. So HA is 1, Ca remains 100, MH is 100. It is definitely greater than 1, but much greater than 1. EI is 2. If you calculate, this becomes value is 2. Now I calculate three resistances. R1, R2, R3 say 1 upon kGa, this resistance 10, second resistance 0.005, third resistance almost 0 because this K is very high value and MH is just 1. So this is almost 0, 0. So if you calculate this value and check the decimals further, there is some value, but it is almost 0. So we have not included the further decimals. So these first 3 decimals are 0. So this is almost not there. This is negligible as compared to this also. So it is 99.95% means almost 100% resistance here. These two resistances you can totally neglect. So all the resistance lie in the gas film. So we have MH greater than 1. Okay. You check the condition, EI is greater than 5 times MH. It is not satisfied. EI is not greater than 5 times MH because EI is 2 and 5 times MH becomes 100. Then you check the alternate condition. What is that condition? MH by 5 you have to calculate. MH by 5 is 20. EI is 2. So EI less than MH by 5, this condition is satisfied. So when this condition is satisfied, we have E is equal to EI. So EI value will be the value of E. So you substitute E is equal to 2 here. Okay. Because EI greater than 5 times MH, that condition is not satisfied. Otherwise, we take E is equal to MH. Here condition is EI less than MH by 5. So E is equal to EI. So I am substituting E is equal to EI. That value is 2 here. So using these values, rate we calculate PA is 100 and total resistance is 10 almost. So 10 by 10, this 100 by 10, 10 moles per meter cube per hour. So here we have this condition of EI less than MH by 5. So instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film. This is because of the, so instantaneous reaction at a plane within the liquid film, and of course there will be some physical transport in both the film because gas will overcome the resistance offered by the gas film, which is maximum here. Reactant B will overcome the resistance offered by the liquid film. So resistance is not 0, there is some resistance offered, and the reaction is instantaneous. This is 0 because there is no penetration of A in the main body of the liquid. So instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid. So we'll go back to our conditions, this figure. So we have seen the cases for MH less than 1 where E is approximately equal to 1 plus MH square by 3. For very low values of MH, E is equal to 1 almost, and when MH is not very low, this value, and for MH greater than 1, if you calculate the values to check these conditions, if EI greater than 5 times MH, we have seen the cases where the reaction, we can say it is pseudo first order reaction, and reaction occurs in the liquid film, no reaction in the bulk. We have seen the problem where this condition is satisfied, EI is less than MH by 5, and in that case we say there is instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film. Okay. So now we will proceed further, and here we have prepared a table where this is example number. This is not in the serial order. I have written in this form or entered this data in this form deliberately in order to compare these things. So, we will have comparative study and clear cut understanding of few things, and we can guess correctly about the behavior from the approximate values of K and HA, that is rate constant and Henry's law constant. So, in problem solving we have seen the numerical values, quantitative analysis. Here we will compare the results and we will have some qualitative analysis. So, 23.45 and 6, these problems are for HA value 1. So, HA is constant here. What we are varying? You are varying K. So, K value is very low here, 0.0001. This is 0.01, much higher than this value, and this is much higher than this value, 10 raised to 8, very high value. Okay. So, here in these two cases you can see MH is less than 1. For very high value of K, MH is greater than 1. If I compare these two cases, here Henry's law constant is same, MH is also less than 1, the same condition is satisfied. K is very low, K is high. We are comparing these two only. In comparison with this value, K is high. So, when K is high, rate will be definitely higher. Effect of Henry's law constant is same, solubility. MH less than 1, here the condition of reaction is in the main body of the liquid, reaction is in the main body of the liquid. HA value is low, though, so the solubility is high, solubility is high. So, here the rate is increased because of the increase in this K, 23.4 and 5. So, you can see in 23.5 resistances 50%, 4 here the resistance almost in the main body of the liquid. So, you can also see the resistances and draw your inferences accordingly. Here we are considering only comparative studies with the variation in HA and K. So, here we have written these three cases where HA value is constant, K is very low, K is moderate you can say, and K is very high. And if you compare this with the same K value, MH is greater than 1 now. Reaction at a plane in the film. So, reaction when takes place at a plane in the film. So, when reaction takes place in the film or reaction is over in the film, it is not entering the main body of the liquid, then rate is definitely higher than this rate, and this K is very high. This rate is 10, solubility is high, Henry's law constant is low. Now, we have the cases where here we will compare these two only first. K is having same value 10. Henry's law constant is 1000 and here it is 10,000. So, high Henry's law constant means low solubility. So, this solubility is lowest. Here you can say the solubility is low. MH value is less than 1. MH value is less than 1 means reaction in the main body of the liquid, reaction is in the main body of the liquid. Okay. Now, here if you compare the rates, here it is 0.33, here it is 0.05, rate constant is same. This variation is because of the solubility. So, this solubility is lowest, less than this. So, naturally the rate will be lower. This solubility is higher, so rate is higher. With the same value, still if you reduce the Henry's law constant value, you will get more rate because solubility is increasing and so on. So you can test with various values. I am explaining you this table because you should not restrict yourself to these problems which are given in the exercise. You take your own values of HA and K and calculate this and compare the rates so that you will have a very clear qualitative analysis in your mind how the variation of the regimes is there with the values of HA and K and with the calculation of MH value only. On this comparison with the similar logic, you can say something about where the reaction is taking place. It is in the main body of the liquid or it is in the film. If it is in the film, it is at the sharp plane or there is a spread of reaction zone. For that we need additional evidence, of course. All the reaction is at gas liquid interface. This last case is HA value 10,000, K value we have this value 10 raised to 6, and here if you calculate MH is greater than 1. So MH greater than 1 means reaction within the film, it is not in the bulk of the liquid or main body of the liquid. And with the conditions further which you have seen, the reaction is at gas liquid interface. And when the reaction is at the gas liquid interface, this is the rate is 5. Now if you compare here, the solubility is medium, means in between this we can say qualitatively, and this is very high as compared to this. So rate is, you can say it is 0.5 and it is almost 5, means 100 times. So 23.2 we will see here. What is the condition? EI greater than 5 times MH, this is satisfied. So reaction is at gas liquid interface. Okay. So once again, 23.1 reaction in the main body of liquid because MH is less than 1. Then we have reaction at the gas liquid interface. Then we have reaction in the main body of the liquid again. Then again we have problem of reaction in the main body of the liquid. Then reaction in the main body of the liquid 23.5 and 23.6. We have a condition EI is less than MH by 5 and where E is approximately equal to EI and instantaneous reaction at a plane in the liquid film. So here reaction is at a plane in the liquid film, reaction at the gas liquid interface. So only two cases we have here of MH greater than 1 where the reaction is in the film. All other cases are MH less than 1, reaction taking place in the main body of the liquid. So this you can say is the qualitative analysis of gas liquid reaction kinetics. So you can take your own values, calculate, and if you practice this is very important because we have to take it to the application to design. That means reactor design problems, whether it is tower type reactor or agitated tank, we need this information, this knowledge. And again, I am telling all of you, please note that this is not the topic or the subject which is to be remembered. This condition, this kind of equation, you should try to understand the phenomena and the conditions. You will remember these things automatically. So today we will stop here and we will see other problems from the exercise 2.7 onwards in our next lecture. So we will stop here.